English, whatever we are learning, that day also I was telling you, like we learn bookish English. This is not the type of English people speak. Or this is not the only sentence being used. Am I right? For example, if someone asks you, are you busy? If this is the question is, are you busy? So there can be various answers. Basically, we say, yes, I am busy, or no, I am not busy. Now, this is basic English. Yes, I am busy, or no, I am not. It can be, no, I am not busy. It can be, no, I'm not. Not really. Yes, I'm too busy, of those kind. But the natives do not speak in that. One may say, native speaker can say a little bit. Yes or no? Native speaker can say a little bit, which also means not very busy, not very free, little bit I'm busy. But there is one smarter way to answer. And smarter way is that my hands are full. Smarter answer could be my hands are full. The meaning is I have lot of things to do and I cannot, because if anybody is asking you, are you busy? Maybe that person is trying to seek some help, no? The smartest person will understand. You are smart because you understand the things. You can tackle the things, so you become smart. If you learn the answers, you'll use the same language. If you want to help somebody, if you wholeheartedly want to do it, of course do it. But if you do not want to do it, you should always have that scope to say no, no. That is the smartest way. So smart people will say, my hands are full. My schedule is little tight. Yeah, I am tied up a little bit. I am tied up right now. So these are the smarter answers. And then if the person in front of you tells you, oh, I actually wanted your help. And if you feel like, you can always say, okay, no problem. I can keep my things aside and help you. But if you say, no, I'm not busy, and the person asks you for the help, and if you do not want to help, you do not have any excuse left. I hope I'm clear. So we need to, not only with English, in Hindi, Marathi, or whichever language you speak, because all of the answers are not fixed answers, no? Can we give that? We can never be language. That day also I was telling you, it's like water, it flows. I hope I'm clear.